Okay, this is probably one of the worst matchups we could have gotten with this tank. We're going to load APCR right off the bat. We only have 175 millimeters of penetration with normal shells, 217 with APCR, and even that's extremely low for a tier 10 matchup. This is just terrible. Only thing I have is my mobility, which is good, but just this is not a good matchup. I want to support this T-54. I'm gonna go help him. Hopefully I don't get shot in the side. Already got a tank up there. I'm just gonna keep moving. Just gonna keep moving. Gonna help out my T-54 friend. Jam his turret. I'm gonna see if I can track him. Take out the light. E50M's coming over. The only thing this gun has is rate of fire right now. That's all it has. As long as that E50N doesn't come and engage me, I'm in a really good spot right now. I really need to kill this bat chat. I really need to kill this guy. I really can't emphasize that enough. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, now we're gonna help this E75 with the E50M. We have 6 APCR shells left. Just gonna squeeze in on his side. I'm gonna make him choose. He has to choose now. He doesn't want to damage me. He doesn't want to damage the E75. What does he want to do? He has to choose now. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we got a Conqueror coming over now. Once again, I'm gonna hide again because as I am a tier 8 tank, I am very much a support tank in this game. There's no reason for me to be trying to take the front lines. So I need to play as a support to the C-75 as well as I can. I'm hoping these guys will push up. If they push up, then we'll have an advantage because then I'll be able to engage these guys from 2 directions. Now, I don't recommend spamming APCR like I just did, but because of the matchup and because of my poor penetration, I definitely had to. There really wasn't much in it. Alright. I need to come help this guy. I need to do something again. There's new 100 in the middle, so there's no point in me going over there. Stop conquering. Don't need premium to go through the bottom plate of the Conqueror. There we go. He's out of the game now. Now let's focus. I'm pretty sure there's a Jagdtiger over here. I'm not sure, but let's focus down on the C-100. Trying to track him just so my team can have an easier shot at him. Okay, he's pretty much out of this game. Now let's go after these guys. We've got 2 very strong tier 10 tank destroyers right there. So let's go ahead and do some flanking work on these guys. See, you know, that's the worst thing that can happen to you. If I would have just YOLO rushed that hill, that would have been my life right there. That would have been it. Would have been donezo. Oh god, I didn't kill him. Kill him. Okay, let's move, let's move, let's move. Let's move, use our mobility. Got him. Okay, that was a close one right there. That's probably a mastery badge in this tank. That's probably the best game I've had in this tank so far. Got 4 kills in a tier 10 game. Only made 4,000 credits. We got nearly 15,000 experience, and it's worth it. It is very well worth it. Now let's see all the awards we got. Oskin's medal, never heard of that medal before. We finished with nearly 3,000 damage and 5 kills in a tier 10 game. Now yes, we did use a shit ton of APCR, but we had to in that case. Without the APCR and without the extra penetration, we would have been dead. And really thank you to this E75 too. This E75 realized that I could support him when we were trying to take out that E50M. He made the initial push. We were able to take out a tier 10 medium tank very easily. And he helped me a lot throughout the game. So thank you to him, but that was probably my best game ever in this tank. Wow. And I got an Oskin's medal. I've never heard of that medal before. Wow, my hands